Class 1 new topic is converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. So you all know what is improper fraction. When your numerator is greater than your denominator. When your numerator is greater than denominator, then we can say it is our improper fraction. You all know that improper fraction. Class, your improper fraction is 22 upon 5, and by this you can easily understand we can divide 22 by 5. So 5 4 is 20, 2 is remainder. So you all know this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is divisor. So class, this is your quotient, this is your remainder, and this is your divisor. So before I explain you mixed fraction, I just remind you there is a formula for dividend. This is your dividend, you all know. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we all know this formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula is very important to get mixed fraction again. So class, now what is your mixed fraction? In mixed fraction, you can write your fraction this 22 upon 5. Your 22 upon 5 is there, and you can write that in the form of mixed fraction, that is Q complete R upon D. It is quotient, it is remainder, it is divisor. Okay, so what is your quotient in this time? You can see 4. What is your remainder? 2. And what is your divisor? 5. So class, you can write 22 upon 5 in the form of Q complete R upon D. How we pronounce it? 4 complete 2 upon 5. What is your dividend? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So class, here you can see your division into quotient plus remainder. 5 4 ja 20 plus 2, 22. And upon 5 is same. So you can write your improper fraction in the form of mixed fraction. Class, our new topic is comparison of fraction. So first we compare the like fraction. So you have two fraction in this time, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. How we compare that which one is greater and which one is lesser in these two fraction? So class, for like fraction you all know your denominators are same. So if your denominators are same, so whose numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So whose numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. This is a very simple formula for like fraction. In this time you can see 3 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 2, so 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. One more example, if I compare 2 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. So you all know 5 is greater than 4, 4 is greater than 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So this is your order of fractions. Class, now next topic is comparison of unlike fraction. So class, you have two methods to compare the unlike fractions. So today I am talking about the first method, that is convert unlike fraction into like fraction. This is the first method by which you can compare unlike fraction. Suppose I want to compare 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. In this time you can see your denominators are different. So how we compare now, because this is unlike fraction. So understand what to do. Do one thing, just write your fraction first like this and write your second fraction like this. In this method your denominators are very important. Okay, so multiply your this fraction by other denominator in both the sides. Clear? This is your another denominator. Multiply by the other denominator in your numerator also and denominator also, and you all know 3 upon 3 is equal to 1, so there is no change. And in this fraction we can multiply by the other denominator, that is 5. So you can multiply numerator and denominator both by 5. Now when you are multiplying the fraction, it's very important. Later I will explain you more about the multiplication of fraction, but understand, in multiplication or for multiplication you multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Understand? Here also multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You can see this is 6, this is 15, this is 5, this is 15. So by solving this you can get 6 upon 15 and 5 upon 15, and you can see this 6 upon 15 and 5 upon 15. So class, you can see your denominators are same. So your unlike fraction, these two are unlike fraction, convert into denominators are same, so convert into like fraction. Now you can easily compare which one is greater. 6 upon 15. 6 upon 15 comes from 2 upon 5. So it means 2 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 3. One more example I will take. 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. Now I told you what to do. 3 upon 7 and 1 upon 5. I told you multiply this fraction by other denominator. So multiply this in both sides and multiply this fraction by the other denominator, that is your 7. So multiply the numerator also and multiply denominator also. So 3 5 ja into 7 5 ja. Here 1 7 ja and 5 7 ja. 3 5 ja 15 upon 35. Here 7 upon 35. So you all know 15 upon 35 is greater than 7 upon 35, and this 15 upon 35 comes from 3 upon 7. So it means this unlike fraction is greater than this unlike fraction. So now you can see your unlike fraction just convert into like fraction, and after that you can easily get the answer.